Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today we learned to whip non-dairy whipping cream. I've posted this in many of my cake videos, but still I've been getting requests on how to whip cream. So here it is. This is 1 kg non-dairy whipping cream. This is tropolite brand. I had purchased this online. The link for it will be given in the description box below. After purchasing this, I had stored in the refrigerator's freezer compartment. Before using this, bring it down to the refrigerator's the normal compartment, not the freezer compartment, and keep it there for about 24 hours. And then keep it outside in the room temperature for 3 to 4 hours until it melts. So here I've taken about 250 to 350 ml of the whipping cream into a bowl. Now with the help of a hand mixer, whip the cream for about 10 minutes. Start on the first speed, then gradually increase the speed. It would be great if you're using a chilled bowl for whipping the cream. For that, you just need to place the bowl inside the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes before starting with the whipping process. Again, after 5 to 10 minutes, if you feel that the cream is not forming stiff peaks or if the climate is hot and humid, you can place this bowl filled with cream in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. Please note, in the refrigerator, keep it for 5 minutes, take it out again and then start the whipping process. So after about 5 minutes, this is the consistency of the cream. It has increased in volume, it has become light and airy, but still it has not started to form peaks. So we will continue whipping until we see the small peaks. So this is how the cream looks after about 8 minutes. You can see that there are small tender peaks which have started to form. We will continue with the whipping process and I will show you how it looks at the end of 10 minutes. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. So now you can see that after 10 minutes, stiff peaks have started to form. The peaks are stiff, they don't fall off once you pull the whipping blades. That means our cream is ready. This is non-dairy whipping cream, so there is already sugar added in this. You don't have to add extra sugar. You can add essence of your choice depending upon the cake that you're going to make. And also you can add in color as per your requirement. If you're using gel-based colors, you just need to add 2 to 3 drops. But at the same time, if you're using liquid-based colors, you will have to add 2 to 3 teaspoons. Here I'm using gel-based colors and the link for it will be given in the description box below. Once you finish decorating the cake, if there is whipped cream left, you can store it in the freezer, not in the refrigerator, and minimum up to 1 month you can store it over there. And then the same procedure, you need to bring down to the refrigerator, keep it there for 24 hours, then take it out onto the tabletop or the kitchen countertop and keep there for 3 to 4 hours before using it. And then you will have to whip this cream again if you're using it after some amount of time. I hope you all have understood how to whip a non-dairy whipping cream. I've also put a tutorial on how to whip buttercream, that is how to make buttercream frosting. All those who have not watched it, I will share the link in the description box below. Please do try out and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelation.